Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I've been traveling a lot lately, I need a toothpaste that's gonna be reliable and at the same time that's gonna keep me in a really nice place for storage. And this is where this Colgate Total 12 Clear Mint comes into place. And this is a great option because of how it's manufactured. It's just easy to carry on, is a great option for you to keep your hygiene, your dental hygiene, which is really important for you to just to go around and be a normal human being, speaking to other people without being scared at all. And just to keep the protection of your of your teeth as your so important. It's not too abrasive, it's not going to be too hard on your gums, and it's gonna give you the right protection to go around during your day. During my experience, I've had no problems with this toothpaste, and it just has a great quality without doing any harm and keeping your teeth as clean as possible. So this was John with Dolly TI. That was my